Let's start our shopping today.
Do you have a shopping list?
Yes, I made one this morning. Great. That will help us.
Yes, sometimes I forget things when I shop.
Me too. Okay, let's go.
Wow, this supermarket is big.
Yes, it is very big. Supermarkets usually have everything.
I take a cart.
I take a basket. Look, the fruit section is over there. Let's start there.
I need apples.
How many apples do you need?
Maybe 5. These apples look good and fresh.
Yes, they do. Fresh means the food is new and not old.
Oh, I see.
Let's get a bag for more.
Okay, this one is perfect. Oh, look, bananas. Do you want bananas too?
Yes, maybe 3.
Bananas are good for energy.
Let's get some.
I love bananas.
Me too. Here we go. Now I need vegetables.
What vegetables do you need?
Tomatoes and onions.
What are you cooking tonight? Pasta.
Okay, what's next on the list? Good job! Let's get some.
Yay!
I look for fresh vegetables. These tomatoes look good. I'll take 5.
Here they are. Onions make me cry too. I pick up some fruit.
I look at the prices. This price is good. I check the expiration date. Next on my list is milk.
Where's the dairy section?
Milk is usually in the refrigerator section. Here it is. I buy a bottle of milk. I buy a bottle of water. I get a carton of eggs. Can you help me? I buy cheese.
I need a loaf of bread.
Here you are.
I grab some yogurt.
If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I look for chili sauce.
I look at the prices.
That's too expensive.
I buy frozen pizza.
Good for a quick meal. I buy meat. I buy chicken for dinner.
I get a cake.
I spend more than planned.
The store is crowded today.
I check my shopping list. I want to shop for skincare products.
I browse dresses. I push a cart full of groceries.
I buy a bag of sugar. I buy a bag of rice.
I need to get some cereal.
I need toilet paper too.
Oh, look, chocolate cookies.
Maybe just one snack.
I buy a box of cookies. This is on sale. What does aisle mean?
An aisle is a long space between shelves in a store.
Oh, like this row.
Yes, exactly. Wait, something is missing. We need pasta.
The pasta aisle is over there.
Good. I have everything now. I go to the checkout.
I check out self-service.
Today, let's go to the cashier. I wait in line. I put items on the belt. Do you have any coupons? No, I don't. The cashier scans my items. I can pay cash. I can pay by card. I can pay with my phone. I pay cash.
Yay, cash!
I take the receipt. I pack my bags. I need help.
I can help you.
I carry my bags.
I leave the supermarket.
Ready to go, sweetie?
Yes, Mommy.
Let's go home.
Okay.